OrCAD X Capture allows users to create variants of a design using components from their workspace or cloud library. After completing your design, open the Part Manager. It will display a list of all the components in your design based on the default workspace library database. In the Groups section, you'll find a common group that, by default, contains all the components in the design. We'll create a new group and subgroups, then move some components into them. These subgroups can later be used to create design variants. For this design, we'll create variants based on whether the charger section is included and variations in the rating of the highlighted resistor divider circuit. Select the components, right-click, and choose Add Parts to Group to assign them to a group in the Part Manager. Once added, these components will show up in their respective group. For the offboard charger subgroup, select the components you want to mark as Do Not Stuff. Right-click and choose Set as Not Present. These components will then appear crossed out in the Part Manager. In the onboard charger group, we will connect the voltage divider components to components with different ratings by selecting Link Database Part from the menu. When finished, go to the BOM variant section and create two new entries named Variant 1 and Variant 2. Drag and drop the common group folder into both variants for the components that are shared. Next, move the offboard charger subgroup to Variant 1 and the onboard charger subgroup to Variant 2. Then save your design. This step completes the variant creation for the core design. If there are multiple groups and subgroups, you can create variants with various combinations following the same process. To access the variant view of the design, go to the View toolbar and select Variant View Mode. This will open the Variant Selection dialog. From the dialog, choose Variant 1 and click OK. The components marked as not present will appear grayed out with a Do Not Stuff label. Switching to Variant 2 will highlight changes in the voltage divider section, where the components will be shown in red. Additionally, in Variant 2, the linear charger components will remain unchanged. To return to the core view of the design, select Core Design from the Variant View dialog and click OK. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.